Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus are less than a month away from their official launch, but the leaks keep coming. After renders of the two phones made their way online, a list pricing of the upcoming Galaxy Note series flagships has surfaced. As per a new leak, the base variant of the Galaxy Note 10 packing 256GB of internal storage will be priced at EUR 999, roughly Rs 77,000 in the European market. Additionally, the alleged pricing of its larger sibling, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, has been leaked as well. Separately, a report out of South Korea tips the Galaxy Note 10 Duo's release date. As per a report, the Galaxy Note 10 will reportedly start at EUR 999, roughly Rs 77,000, and this price will apply to a majority of European nations where Samsung has been selling its phones. However, there might be some differences in the final retail price after taking into account the variable taxation rates and other factors. The leak cites information received from dealers and states that the base variant of the phone will pack 256GB of internal storage. The alleged EUR 999, roughly Rs 77,000 asking price makes Galaxy Note 10 a better deal than the Galaxy S10 Plus, which was launched at the same price for the base model with half the amount of storage at 128GB compared to the Galaxy Note 10's 256GB storage. As for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it will reportedly be priced at EUR 1149, and that's roughly Rs 89,000 once again for the 256GB base storage variant, though the report adds it is uncertain if a 128GB storage variant will be offered for both phones in other regions. As for the market availability, a report states that the Galaxy Note 10 Duo pre-orders will start on August 9 in Samsung's home market. Furthermore, the Note flagships will reportedly hit the shelves on August 23rd in the country, according to information received from local carriers. Sam Mobile reports that the Samsung will launch only the 5G variant of the Galaxy Note 10 in South Korea, while the international market will get both the 5G and 4G models. Pricing of the Galaxy Note 10 is tipped to start at 1.2 million Korean won, roughly Rs 70,000, while the base variant of Galaxy Note 10 Plus will carry a price tag of 1.4 million won, roughly Rs 81,500 in South Korea. Talking about features, the Galaxy Note 10 is tipped to pack a 6.3-inch display, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus will reportedly come equipped with a larger 6.7-inch panel. We'll get to know more when the two phones are unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on August 7th.